it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like
Hi guys, let's relocate back to China after 4 years in Ghana. So after I got my hair done, my friends Dima and Jennifer helped me pack my stuff, and these are the food items I went with. I like African food, so yeah. And then it was time for me to go to the airport. These are my friends that escorted me to the airport. That's Bima, Sanachwa, and Kezia. Oh, I miss them so much. I miss them so much. So I had to say goodbye.
Oh, I'll miss you, girls.
Miss you. Take care of yourself. Birthday in advance.
Oh, thank you.
Now it was time for me to board the flight after checking in. So I took Qatar Airways. I had to transit in Qatar for 1 day before my second flight to my destination. This is the Qatar airport. It's so beautiful and so big, extremely big. I think it's the second biggest airport in the world. Yeah. And then I had to sleep in the hotel at the airport. So that's the hotel. And when I got to the hotel, I had to take cute pictures of myself because the lighting was so good. And after I took a nap, woke up and dressed up to go find something to eat. Yeah, so that's me. And so all these trees you see here are all inside the airport. The airport is so beautiful. This area has a lot of restaurants. I had to find somewhere to eat. I ordered for burger and fries with Coke. And right after eating, I went back to sleep. Woke up the next day and it was time for my flight. My next flight. So I went to check in and there I am on my way to China. Finally got to China, and yeah, this is Guangzhou. I had to go to the train station to get a train to my current city. So I had to wait for like 5 hours for the train. I was really exhausted at this point. It was a 4-hour train and I finally made it. Bye, see you in my next vlog.